Guys, I'm Sean Harper and I've got the Boat Stone 200 unboxing for you guys. So let's check it out. So first, this is the packing. Boat Stone 200 over here. Portable yet powerful. Just a brown box, and at the back it's a specification. It's a Bluetooth speaker, shockproof, waterproof, 3-watt speaker and 10-hour backup. So let's open this. First we pull out the sleeve. Okay, that's the sleeve. Just a plain brown box. So let's take it out and let's see what's inside. On top you have the things like how to use it, and it explains all the different ports. Okay, and beneath that you have the speaker itself. Let's put this for the side, and you have just showing you about something about the warranty and contact information. And here you have a USB. It's not Type-C, it's just normal USB for charging the speaker. And you have an AUX cable for non-Bluetooth devices. Just coming to the speaker, I got this in the orange colorway. You have two colors, I think so, black and blue. So this is orange, pretty bright. This is more of a dark orange, but the camera is not picking up the color. So let's see what it has. It has, on top you have all the controls. You have the power button, you have the volume low, you have the pause and answering, you have the volume up, like you maximize and minimize. In the front you just have the grill with board embossed on that. And you have like screws over here to make it look rugged. At the bottom you have a screw for attaching this to either tripod and all that. And the other side is just the same thing. On this side you just have like grills to hold on. And right here is a flap to protect this. Since this is a waterproof, it claims to be waterproof, so you need to protect all the ports. So as you can see, it in your aux in and USB charge. So let's open this. You can see right here we have USB for charging and your aux. And remember to close this, because unless you close it, then it will become watertight. That's all. And you also have a loop over here for attaching this to either your backpack or just hanging it around on a tree. So this is claimed to be an outdoor speaker. You should be taking this outside. It's not like in the house, but if you want you can use it, but it's claims to go outside. So that's why it has a rugged look to protect it, and waterproof technology to prevent this when it falls in any rivers or something, and this for hanging it around. So it's just turn on the speaker just like normal speaker. This cord should be on the right, so that's over the face, because it has an indicator over here. To start you need to press the power button for about 1 second like that, and you can see there's a blinking. There's no Bluetooth button to press to pair it. It automatically goes into pairing mode, so you can open your phone and connect it if you want. And if when this stops, it means it's paired. So you can maximize the volume till you get a beep. Since it's not paired, you can't hear it. And long press to switch it off. To the quality of the speaker, it's actually well made. You can see very rugged look. And when it comes to sound quality, it has more bass when compared to JBL, but the size of this is a little bit on a bulky side. When you compare this to JBL, I also have a video of JBL on my channel, you can check it out. This is a little bit on the thick side, JBL is more of on the thin side, and it's square, so it has rounded corners, and a little bit heavy I would say when compared to JBL. But the sound quality, the bass on this is very high when compared to JBL. It actually vibrates more. Since it has rubber, it's standing, otherwise it vibrates more and it might fall anytime. It has good drivers inside. Overall very good sound. Guys, This is a very good speaker, and the quality is nice. The sound quality is also nice, and it's made out of good, and it's very strong and sturdy. So if you're interested in picking this, I would give it a go. You can pick it out. It's very nice. If you want to pick this up, an interesting product, links are in the description. You can go check it out. And if you like my videos and you like my channel, please like, comment and share, and do this everything below and support my channel so you can get, and press the bell icon to get updated whenever I release a new video. So thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys later. Peace.
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time.